If you suffer from intermittent fever due to weather changes or any other weakness, so this video is for you. Intermittent fever, often associated with conditions like malaria, dengue, or even common viral infections, can be quite discomforting. While medication is commonly used for treatment, nature also offers its own remedies. Sweet lime, a citrus fruit or Mossambi known for its refreshing taste, holds a secret power in combating intermittent fever, packed with essential nutrients and medicinal properties. Sweet lime offers natural and effective solution for easing the symptoms and promoting recovery. Let's take a look about the benefits of it. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Sweet lime is rich in essential nutrients like vitamin C, which boost the immune system, helping the body fight off infections more effectively. Additionally, it contains vitamins A, B, and E, along with minerals like calcium, potassium, and magnesium, which are vital for overall health and well being. It has fever reducing properties. Sweet lime possesses natural fever reducing properties that help in lowering body temperature during episodes of intermittent fever. The high water contained in sweet lime helps keep the body hydrated, aiding in the recovery process. It has rehydration and electrolyte balance. Intermittent fever can lead to dehydration and electrolyte imbalances in the body. Sweet lime juice serves as an excellent natural rehydration solution, replenishing lost fluids and electrolytes such as potassium, sodium, and chloride, essential for maintaining proper bodily functions. It has digestive aid. Sweet lime contains dietary fiber which aids in digestion and helps alleviate gastrointestinal discomfort often experienced during fever episodes or while taking medications. It can also help regulate bowel movements and promoting overall gut health. It is natural detoxifier. Sweet lime acts as a natural detoxifier, helping to flush out toxins from the body. This detoxification process supports the immune system and accelerates recovery from fever and associated illnesses. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidants effects. The antioxidants present in sweet lime help reduce inflammation in the body, which is often associated with fever and infections. These antioxidants also protect the body from oxidative stress, supporting overall health and immune function. Let's talk about how to reduce intermittent fever using sweet lime. It's very simple. Just use 2 sweet lime, squeeze its juice. No need to add any sugar or water. Take this juice daily. Within 5 days, you will feel that your fever is subsiding. Incorporating sweet lime into your diet can offer a natural and effective way to manage intermittent fever. Its rich nutritional profile combined with its fever reducing, anti inflammatory, and rehydrating properties makes it a valuable addition to your wellness routine. Whether consumed as fresh fruit or in the form of juice, sweet lime can play a significant role in supporting your body's ability to combat infections and promote overall health and well-being. Embrace the power of nature's remedies and harness the benefits of sweet lime for a healthier, fever-free life. Like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.